So I'm recording too, तो बस देख लीजिएगा. Summer 2015, paper 2-3, question 1. And the question says, distance between sun and the earth is 1.5 exponent 11 meters. State this distance in gigameters. So it's 1.5 exponent 11. You need to give it in gigameters. What is the power of giga?
So the power of giga, I think, is times 10 to the power of 8, if I'm not wrong. It's a guess.
What is mega? Chalo. So mega is basically 10 to the power 6, giga is 10 to the power 9. So we
Oh,
need to express it in 10 to the power 9. So if we want to express it in 10 to the power 9, that means we can write it as 1500 into 10 to the power 9, right? Now, how I got to this? See, I can rewrite this in this way: 1.5 into 10 to the power 2 into 10 to the power 9. Is this the same thing? Is this the same thing as this one?
yes, sir.
And simplifying this, 1.5 10 to the power 2 is simply 1.5 multiplied by 100, and that is basically this, right?
Yes.
So this is how you do the cycle, and it is 1500 gigameters. Distance from the center of the Earth to the satellite above the equator is 42.3 megameters. Mega is 10 power 6. The radius of the Earth is 6380 kilometers. Microwave signal is sent from a point on the Earth directly below the satellite. So there's this Earth, and this is directly below the satellite. This is directly below the satellite, and this distance is what? It's 42.3 megameters. Calculate the time taken for the microwave signal to travel to the satellite and back. So a little IGCSE or O levels knowledge required over here. We need to find time. What is the formula for time? Speed is distance upon time. So time is distance upon speed, right? What is the value of distance given to you? 42.3 mega, that is
Mega.
10 power 6 meters. And what is the speed of a microwave? IGCSE knowledge, O levels knowledge needed over here. What is the speed of microwave? We know that microwave is electromagnetic wave, and all electromagnetic waves travel with the speed of light. That's 3.0 exponent 8 meters per second, right? So it will become 3.0 exponent 8 meters per second. Please help me do the calculation part.
Okay. Sir, so the answer is 0.141.
Come again.
The answer is 0.141.
0.141. All right, I have not calculated it, so it's simply trusting you. I hope you have done the calculation the right way at least. Right? So
Sir, so the answer is 0.141 seconds. 141 seconds.
0.141 seconds. 0.141 seconds. अच्छा, एक चीज और, distance from the center of the earth to the satellite above the equator is this. Oh, there's one mistake. This is the radius of the earth ना, so that's why मुझे कुछ doubt लग रहा था. This is the radius. आप क्या करोगे बेटे, इस total distance में से radius को minus करोगे ना, this total distance minus the radius, and what is the radius? 6380 kilometers. So you will add that kilometers value over here. Now do it. And how this will be taken two times, right? The signals go to the satellite and then comes back.
Return back.
Yeah. So it's two times. Simply just put all this into the calculator.
It is 0.24 into SF.
0.24. Perfect. 0.24 seconds. Right. So you need to show that C has no units over here. V is the speed of the sound, rho is the density, P is the pressure. You need to find units for C. So the best way is to या तो simply square करो दोनों sides को. If you're not squaring it, तो एक काम और कर सकते हो, आप square कर लो, क्योंकि in the end आपको square तो करना ही है, right? Just square both the sides. So this will be V squared, and this square root will get cancelled. So you will be left with V squared is equals to CP over rho. And this will become C is equals to V square rho over P. So what is V? It's meters per second. Meters per second squared. What is rho? It's kg per meter cubed. What is P? Pressure. Pressure is force per unit area, right? Pressure is force per unit area. Pressure is force per unit area. Force is kg meter per second squared. Area is meter squared. So it will become
Meter
kg
cube.
per meter. M power 2 from the denominator to the numerator will make it m power minus 1, s power minus 2. So pressure is kg, m minus 1, s minus 2. Simplifying that, it will become m power 2, s power minus 2, kg, m power minus 3 over kg, m power minus 1, s power minus 2. Simplifying it, kg will get cancelled with kg, s power minus 2 will get cancelled with s power minus 2, and you will be left with m power 2 and m power minus 3 will make m power 2 and m power minus 3 will make it m power minus 1 over m power minus 1. So that is cut again, and you are left with c equals to 1. So C equals to 1 means C has no units.
So C is a constant basically.
Yeah, C is a constant. Some constants do have units, others do not. Right? So, and hence it was for 3 marks. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, the question says show that both sides of the equation have the same SI base units. So it's intensity of a sound wave passing through air. Intensity is power per unit area. They have given you the equation. So kind of him. This is something that you have not known before. So they have given you the unit for it. So we'll simply write intensity is equals to power upon area. And that is we'll write power upon area equals K V rho F squared A squared. You need to show both sides of the equation have the same SI base units. So power is what? Energy upon time? Hmm? Power is what? Energy upon time
Power is also IVT.
or work done upon time? Okay, we'll use the defining formula. Always remember defining formula, right? What is work done? It's force into distance over time. What is force? Force is kg meter per second squared. What is distance? Distance is
Meter.
meters. What is t? It's seconds. So what is power? Power will be kg m power 2 s power minus 2. Right? So kg m power 2 s power minus 3. What is area? It's m power 2. Okay? Equals to what? What is k? K is a constant, so it has no units. Constants go, you will simply ignore. Then you are left with v. What is v? It's the speed of sound. So speed is meters per second. Speed is meters per second. What is rho? Rho is density. Rho is density. Density is kg per meter cubed. Kg per meter cubed. What is F? F is frequency. F is frequency.
And it's
Frequency of the wave is what?
1/time.
It's 1 over time. It's s power minus 1 and it's
Yes.
s squared, no? So it will become s power minus 2, right?
Yes.
S power minus 2. And then area, A is,
Meter.
sorry, not area, it's amplitude. Amplitude is length and it's in meters. So it's meter squared, right? Now simplifying it on both sides, m power 2 will get cancelled with m power 2. You are left only with kg m power minus 3 on the left side.
S
On
power
the
minus.
right, on the right side, what you will be left with, this is m power minus 3, m power minus 3, right? This is m power minus 3. And this m power 2 and m will make it m power 3. Hmm? So basically, what are we left with?
Zero. Like none.
अच्छा remember यहाँ मैंने एक चीज गलत लिखी है. This is s power minus 3, not m power minus 3. So all m gets cancelled out. So what you are left with? We are left with kg, and this is s minus 1. How can it be s minus 1? What was v? It's the speed of sound. How can it be s minus 1? पावर में हमने गड़बड़ तो नहीं कर ली.
Speed of sound भी सही है.
Energy, power is work done upon time. Work done, it's force into distance. It's kg meter per second square into meters upon s. It's kg m2 square and s power minus 3. Okay. Frequency is s power minus 2. Oh, okay. I'm just missing out this thing. It's just s power minus 1, s power minus 2. It simply makes it s power minus 3, right? So it's same on both sides. Okay?
Yes.
Determine the SI based units of stress. Now, stress, since we have not done this topic yet, but I'll just tell you the formula. Stress is force upon area. Stress is equals to force over area. What is force? Force is kg meter per second squared over meter squared. So basically, it will become kg m power 2 when goes from the denominator to the numerator. It becomes m power minus 2. So m power 2 and m power minus 2. M and m power minus 2 into s power minus 2 will simplify it to kg m power minus 1 s power minus 2.
Two.
M power minus 2 and m power 1 will make it m power minus 1. So kg m power minus 1 s power minus 2. Got it?
Yes.
Now, B PQ is clamped so that the beam is horizontal. Mass M of 500 grams is hung from end Q, and the beam bends slightly as illustrated. The length of the beam from the edge of the clamp R to end Q is 60 centimeter. Okay, blah blah blah. सारा आपको information given है. What do you need to know? The time period T of the oscillation in 0.58 seconds. So इसमें तो कुछ भी नहीं है. You simply need to plug in the values, right? You simply
Yes.
need to plug in the values, and usually this type of question comes when they ask you to find uncertainties in the remaining parts. So determine E in gigapascals. Determine E in gigapascals. All right. So the important thing is the unit, right? So we'll just do it quickly. We need to determine E. We need to determine E. We'll make E the subject. So when making E the subject, we'll simply square both sides. So this is squared. This is squared. It makes it T squared equals to 4 pi squared into 4 ml power 3 over EBD
Power
cubed.
3.
So we needed to find the E. Simply E equals 4 pi squared into 4 ml cubed over BD cubed. BD cubed. BD cubed into T squared, right? So E will be equals to 4 pi squared. 4 into 4, it's 16 pi squared multiplied by M. What is M?
M is mass.
How much is it given? 500 grams. So we need to make it into kilograms. It will become 0.5 kilograms, right?
Yes.
Multiplied by what is L? The length of the beam,
60.
60 centimeter, right? So you will
Yes.
write it as 60
Meters.
exponent negative 2, right? That's divided by 100. What's next? That's cubed, right? Then what is B?
B is
30 millimeters. The width is 30 millimeters, right? So it
yes.
will become 30 exponent negative 3, right? And then D is the thickness. It's 5 millimeters. So it's 5 into 10 to the power minus 3, and then that cubed, right?
Yes, sir.
And then what's T? 0.58 seconds, right? So all that multiplied by 0.58.
It's squared, right? T squared है ना?
Yeah, it's T squared. So that means it will become 0.58 squared. Quickly plug into the calculator.
Can you share it again? Okay.
Yes. What is the answer?
Just give me one more minute.
Calculator. Calculator. You need not to do it separately. Just plug in the whole expression into calculator and do it then and there. So you need to be very careful while plugging in these values.
16 pi square 0.5 60 to the okay. Oh yeah, 30 times 10 to the power of minus 3, 5 times 10 to okay. My answer is 1.3 52 times 10 to the power of 10.
Perfect. Very good. So plugged in correctly
35.
1.35 exponent 10. And you need the answer in gigapascals. And now what's giga? 10 to the power 9, isn't
9.
it?
It is.
Right. So we can rewrite this expression this way: 1.35 into 10 power 1 into 10 power 9. Right. It's the same thing. So we'll simply multiply 10 power 1 with 1.35. It will become 13.5 exponent 9. And this is giga. So our final answer would be 13.5 gigapascals. Or you can round it off to 2SF, making it 4 gigapascals. Right?
Yes.
State the SI base units other than kilograms, meters, and seconds.
Can be temperature, which is Kelvin.
Mhm.
No, it will be Kelvin, not temperature. Kelvin
Thank
लिखेंगे.
you. Thank you. So that's the mistake that you people do always. It's Kelvin. It's asking the units, not the quantities.
Yes, and another can be time. No, it's not
Time.
time. Um,
Same mistake.
क्या
So it's a
होगा?
common error. इसलिए
Current, current,
एस
current.
लेवल पर भी इतनी आसान चीज उसने एक मार्क के लिए पूछ ली. और सेकेंडली ये गिवन भी है इसका यूनिट ऑलरेडी, तो इसको तो आप कर ही नहीं कर सकते.
Yeah, I remember. Current, which is amperes.
Amperes. That's right now. Amperes. Determine the SI base unit of resistivity. So what is resistivity? From your IGCSEs, you can recall the formula. Resistivity is resistance into length over area. Oh, sorry.
Area over length.
resistance was rho L over A, so it's resistance into A over length, right? So resistivity के base units निकालने हैं. Now what is resistance? Resistance is voltage over current, right? What is resistance?
Voltage over.
Voltage, voltage over current. Okay.
Yes.
And if we do that, resistance is equal to voltage upon current. So it will become voltage over current,
What was
um,
voltage?
potential difference.
नहीं नहीं, like unit क्या था उसका?
Derive होगा भी.
Yes.
Voltage upon current into area over length. Simplifying that, it will become voltage into area over current into length. अच्छा, यूजुअली बच्चे जो है ना इसमें प्रॉब्लम करते हैं, इसमें परेशान हो जाते हैं कि ये कैसे करें. देखो भाई, इट्स रेजिस्टेंस, सिंपली ये वाला मैथ्स है, यू शुड नो दिस, बट इन केस यू डोंट नो इट, सो आप क्या करोगे, इट्स रेजिस्टेंस इनटू एरिया ओवर लेंथ. अब रेजिस्टेंस क्या है भाई, इट्स वोल्टेज
Over area.
over current into area over length, right? Over
Ye-
length. This will simplify to VA over I, VA over I over L. Hmm?
Yes.
So it's simply VA, it becomes A upon B upon C, right? Whenever it's like this, A upon B upon C, it's equals to A upon BC, right? A
Yes.
upon BC. So it becomes VA is A and IL is I is B, L is C. So इसका मतलब यही बन जाएगा V A over IL, right?
Yes.
That's resistivity. Now the thing is, sir, resistivity. What is the base unit for resistivity? Resistivity. Sorry, voltage. So what is voltage? What is potential difference? It's the work done per unit charge. Potential difference is equals to work done per unit charge, isn't it? And what is
Yes.
work done? It's force into distance. And what is charge? Charge is current into time. So it will become force is what? Force is kg meter per second squared. Kg meter per second squared. And what is distance? It's in meters. What is current? Current is measured in amperes. What is time? Time is measured in seconds. So simplifying this, potential difference unit will become kg. M and M, mix it,
Make
meters squared, s power minus 2, and this s from the denominator will go into the numerator, and it will become s power minus 1 into a power minus 1. S minus 1 and s power minus 2 will become kgm power 2, s power minus 3, a power minus 1. So this is the base unit for potential difference, right?
yes.
So now resistivity is equals to what? It's potential difference, that's kg m power 2, s power minus 3, a power minus 1. Okay? Into
Yes.
area. What is area?
Meter square.
It's meter squared. Over current. What is current? It's
Amperes.
amperes. Into length. What is length? It's in meters. So resistivity will become kg
Meter
m power 2 and n power 2. It will become m power 4 into m
minus.
in the denominator will become m power minus 1 now. S power minus 3, a power minus 1, and a in the denominator will also become a power minus 1. So simplifying this again,
Kg meter cube.
meter, it will become kg m power 3,
3,
s power minus 3,
3.
a power minus 2. Right? So 3 marks in AS are not that easy